Hi everyone, this is Farah. Today's video is super exciting because I'm going to share with you guys my entire black handbag collection. Black bags are just such classics and staples in any closet just because they usually go with most outfits, can be used for many different occasions, really hard to get dirty, and they really are just probably the top color people choose in bags. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I've got 10 bags to share with you guys. So let me go ahead and get started. So first bag I'm going to share with you is this one. So this is my tried and true Longchamp Le Pliage tote. So this is a nylon bag. It's got silver hardware and it's just a big opening inside with like a tiny little slip pocket. But this is like a workhorse bag. You can use this for travel, to go to the beach, to use for work, as a gym bag, and I've used it for all those things. And it's just an amazing bag, pretty indestructible, and I love this bag. Very light, so it's really nice for that reason, but it's just a very durable bag. Love it, love this bag. So that's the first one. Then I'm gonna share with you guys a thrift find that I am gonna be giving away to somebody in my family, but this was a bag by Carla Mancini. So this is a black bag, quilted, all leather, both sides, and feet on the bottom. It's just got an interior opening that is just all leather with a zip pocket. Very nice, beautiful bag. Kind of my dupe thrift find for Lady Dior bag, so I was excited to find this, but as I already have the Lady Dior that I'm going to show you guys in just a little bit, I will be giving this one away, but currently it is in my collection. Then I'm going to just start off with some of my smaller bags. So this is a Coach wristlet. I'm kind of including it in my bags because for years and years, like I think for like almost a decade, I carried this as like a wristlet bag, and that was like my main, go-to. But this is just a Coach wristlet and silver hardware, just to open zip. Has a little slip pocket inside, a little purple interior. I used this for such a long time, and back in the day this could fit my phone, and I loved it for that reason. It could fit my phone, wallet, keys, and I was good to go. Nowadays the phones do not unfortunately fit this one anymore, so this is more just like a throw in my bag if I want to use it for like a catch-all. But beautiful leather quality. You can see just how worn this wristlet strap is. I mean, it's so worn, but it's still actually held up really well. The actual wristlet itself, though, it's just it's been through so much that there's not any wear, a little bit of corner wear, but like barely. So this is that. And just sticking with some of my other smaller bags. So this is my Marc by Marc Jacobs. This is the Carly bag. So this is a beautiful pebble leather bag. It's got this gold plate here. It's just a flat bag that opens up into an interior. It's kind of like a wallet unchained in a way, because it's got little pockets for, or little slips for cards, and just an opening that's just an open interior. It comes with this chain strap that just makes for a really nice evening bag. So this is what I usually wear out for evenings, just as a clutch itself, or I can put this gold chain with leather strap at the top on. So love this. This is kind of like my go-to evening bag usually. Evening clutch, I would say. I have the casual version of this. So this one here is kind of like the more casual version, where it has got a zipper pull here to open up. And this is called the Marc by Marc Jacobs Natasha bag. No, the Percy bag. Marc by Marc Jacobs Percy bag. So this is how this one looks. Very similar in look, but it has a zipper opening that opens up, an adjustable all leather strap, big opening here with a slip pocket. Love this bag. This gets a lot of wear, especially like on a day-to-day if I just need an easy shoulder bag. So this is also beautiful. Then I've got another bag that is the Rebecca Minkoff 5-zip bag. I love Rebecca Minkoff and I love Marc by Marc Jacobs, so I have many bags by them, but this one's just a beautiful bag, gold hardware. It's got 3 zips here, the 1 zip on the front. For me, these zips are actually all functional. This one is just a little bit shallow. Actually, they're all a little bit shallow, but they do all open up to a beautiful interior, like a beautiful black and white interior, but they do all open up there. So you can actually leave them open and kind of have that look, but I would say most of the time I have it zipped. She does have these tassels to her bags, which are just gorgeous, like leather tassels. Nothing on the back, it's just a kind of a plain back. But then the zipper pull opens up to an interior, comes with a crossbody strap, a very thick chain. And these are their classic kind of look that you can attach, and it's just got 2 slip pockets inside. That's the interior. So this is my Rebecca Minkoff. This one I can also wear as a clutch. So it's pretty much, these are my 2 clutch bags, depending on if I want just really tiny kind of, you know, this one I would say I use more for just like evening attire, because it's just really small and it's just very simple. And this is just like if I want something a little bit larger, I would wear this, and a little bit more like rocker. So love this one too. And then I've got this is also another Marc by Marc Jacobs bag. This is the this one is the Natasha, and this is a beautiful bag, much larger than you would imagine because the base is large. And this one is just so cool because it has a zipper here that opens up and goes deep all the way to the back of the bag, so you can keep items very secure. It's really nice for travel. And then the interior, which is stuffed now, is just a big deep black hole, no pockets there, a really nice large leather strap. And this one I would say I just reserve for travel because it does actually fit a water bottle, like a medium-sized water bottle in here, so love this one as well. And then I've got some of my larger bags I'll go through. So I've got this one here. This is my final Marc by Marc Jacobs bag in this black bag collection. This is the Baby Aiden. It's got a beautiful little leather kind of detail hanging here, like a luggage tag type bag charm. And then here is the back. This one's got a large zipper here. I mostly use this for like work. Completely stuffed here, but just very deep bag, can fit a lot. I had kids use it for travel as well. It does come with a leather strap, black leather strap that I could attach to make it crossbody or shoulder if I would like. But this one does also go over the shoulder. So love this one too. Very nice. And then I have my other black bag. So this one is my beautiful Lady Dior, just the classic medium size, the canage pattern, black lambskin with the gold hardware. This spells out Dior. This one, if you open it, it's got that beautiful Christian Dior pull, bright, beautiful red opening inside, and a zippered pocket. So this is just gorgeous. This is kind of like my really fancy evening out, but the size of it is one where I could also kind of carry it all day. But you know, I kind of showed you some of my other evening bags. So this is like, you know, the smaller clutch bag, but if I want like a handheld, kind of more ladylike, elegant bag, then sometimes I go for this one. So it's fun to have that variety. And you can see if I compare it to this Rebecca Minkoff one, which is more like my rocker evening out. This is of course a little bit more ladylike, and then this is just like a smaller kind of evening bag. So I would say between all 3 of those, oftentimes those are the ones I rotate in the evenings. And then my last bag that I'm going to show you guys is this one here. So this is my black Balenciaga City Bag with the giant gold hardware in the giant in the black leather, excuse me. And this is just gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Could be worn over the shoulder that way, but it's also got the strap here. it makes it to where it could be worn on the shoulder. I have seen it done crossbody before. It's like a really short crossbody, but love this slouchy kind of Balenciaga leather. And now it's stuffed, but even with it being stuffed, you can see how it kind of just collapses, and I just love that. And opens up, it's just got completely stuffed, but it's just got a black interior with a zipper pull on one side, and that's the only organization inside. And then outside has this pocket here, which has the very iconic mirror that Balenciaga has in its city bags. So I usually just keep that right in the front here. This one usually is kind of like if I want a really fun rocker kind of bag, I guess is the only way you can see it, just like a really fun bag. Sometimes if I'm mixing it up for work, and it kind of just reminds me of like, you know, like these two bags are just like really edgy, and so this is like the edgy larger bag, and this is like my edgy smaller bag, but I love this. And if I compare it to the Marc by Marc Jacobs bag, you can see this is a little bit more like ladylike, if you will, and this is more the edgy version. So kind of those are my two larger black bags, and I love them both, but it's just depending on whatever mood that I'm in. But the leather and all of these are really, really nice. So that is my final bag. I hope you enjoyed this collection, just going through all my black bags. I really love every single one of them, and I would say I actually use all of them. I rotate through them, but I actually use all of them, and now that I'm kind of going through all of these and looking at them, I really, really like them all. I do think the ones that I use the least is gonna be this one and this one, believe it or not. And because I have my Lady Dior already, I don't need this one because I kind of, you can see the similarity. They're very similar. So I don't need those. I actually did a comparison of both of these because this was a thrift find, and so I'll have a video of that linked below because I did do a comparison video of these two. But I am going to be giving this one away, and I am thinking that I'll probably lend these to friends and family, just because right now I'm not using these so much. I'm kind of using the other ones more, and so anytime I'm not using them, I'm always kind of like, hey, do you guys want to use them? I think it's fun to kind of just share, you know. So these I probably will not use for the moment, but I do love them. I still kind of, you know, I look at this and I love that edgy look to it. So those are all my bags, all my black bags anyways. Let me know which one out of all these that I shared with you, even including my Longchamp tote, all my Marc by Marc Jacobs bags, my Rebecca Minkoff, my Balenciaga, my Dior. Let me know which one was your favorite. I would love to kind of hear that. If you love this video and this type of video, please give this a thumbs up. That would just mean the world to me. And if you haven't subscribed, I would be so thrilled if you would consider subscribing. That really, really would just make my day, and it just shows me that you enjoyed this video, you like videos like this, and that you'd like hopefully for me to make more, because if you've been watching my channel, you know I absolutely love handbag videos. They're just so much fun for me to watch, but then also fun for me to do and share with you guys. And I love also style and fashion. So if that is your type of videos you like to watch, again, please subscribe, and hopefully then I will see you back in my next video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you in my next video. Bye!